Ha! Got you again.
Every time. How do you do it? Hi everyone, my name is Josh Kirbach. I'm the Director of Sales here at Original One Parts. I'd like to introduce you to a weekly series that we call Friday Fast Facts. With Friday Fast Facts, what we're going to do is bring to you some industry knowledge, some things that we're doing here at Original One Parts that's trying to be unique and bring you a better parts experience, and just basic stuff that we feel is important about the body shop industry. I'd like to introduce to you Avery Hodge, our Regional Sales Manager. Hey Avery.
Hey Josh.
How are you doing today?
Great, thanks.
Avery, real quick. Friday Fast Facts, 5 times fast.
Friday Fast Facts, Friday Fast Facts, Friday Fast Facts, Friday Fast Facts, Friday Fast Facts.
Wow, I am impressed. Avery, today we're going to talk about CCC and approved vendors through insurance for their parts purchasing. So obviously, we're a vendor here at Original One Parts, and what I want to know, because you came from the insurance industry and you've got some time in the body shop world as well, is how do you know whenever a vendor, such as Original One Parts, is approved for purchase through CCC?
Well, that's a great question. When you're actually back at the body shop writing the estimates, the insurance partners that you've partnered up with and we've partnered up with here at Original One have already uploaded that approved vendor list into their system. So by the time you're running your estimate and searching for parts, if it populates Original One, it is in our inventory, it is ready to go next day or second day guaranteed. That price of shipping is included in our list price.
Wow, that's really impressive, Avery. Thank you. So I just want to make sure that I clarify this. You're telling me that if I were a body shop owner or an estimator and I wrote an estimate through CCC and I saw Original One Parts populate, that that part has been approved by the insurance company to go onto the car?
Absolutely right, 100%.
Wow, thank you. And everyone, thank you for tuning in to our first week of Friday Fast Facts. I'll see you next weekend.
And remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey.